Hi guys, this is the EURJPY trade which I shared in the webinar on Tuesday, and it was a classic M2 trade. We had the push to the upside, we were looking for the pullback, and we had multiple reasons over here: 78.6 WIB, 200 daily 55, and also the weekly 55. So I put my stop just under the EMAs, which was a 50 pip stop. You potentially make around 200 pips. Now I'm gonna take some partial profit because this has done about 90 or 95 odd pips, and later on you have FOMC rate statement. So basically it's gonna affect all the pairs because it is dollar related, and I don't want it to reverse and wipe out all my profits that I make at the moment. I still see more room to the upside, but I'm gonna take some partial profit, leaving the rest to run. So I'm gonna close half the trade, and for that I just put one lot here and close one lot on EURJPY, and gonna go on the 4 hour and basically move the stop to around break even, just under that 204 hour AMA, and we'll see what happens later on during FOMC. Hi all, just an update on the Euro Yen trade. So we are basically around the same area as I took my profit earlier, and what I've been thinking is, because the news is gonna come out around 3 hours ish, I'm gonna move my stop a little higher and just trail it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it from break even to just under that 4 hour 55, and that is gonna secure us around 70 odd pips. So if it comes and takes it out, then at least I have also banked the 70 pips that I was gonna get here. But let's see what FOMC does to the trade. Hey guys, quick update on the Euro Yen trade. So basically I got taken out over here on the spike after the news, and yeah, I banked 95 pips for the week.